What is going on, guys? Justin or OVO update back again with another video, and today, guys, we have the entire drop list for Friday, August the 7th. That is right, guys, the entire drop list. So I need you guys to comment, like, and subscribe for the full drop list coming in. We doing a video finally because we got enough photos to do the entire thing. So shout out to everyone for coming through and checking out the video tonight. Without further ado, though, let's get straight into it. So starting off with the tie-dye collection. That's right, guys, OVO didn't post about it, but we got the blue tie-dye with the Familia logo embroidered on the bottom left pant. Again, this looks to be that nice terry cotton material. Very nice. The shorts come in red and they come in this nice blue, so definitely stay on the lookout for those. Those will be around, I want to say, $88 or $98. Next up, we have the matching t-shirt for both of the tie-dye collections. So that is blue with the Familia logo. Nice print there as well. It looks to be puffing out with the red as well. Awesome pieces right there. And to go with the t-shirts, we have the hoodies as well. So we got the blue hoodie and we got the red hoodie. Let me know what you guys are feeling from this full tie-dye collection. That is it for the tie-dye. So we got the hoodie, we have the t-shirt, and we have the shorts. Definitely feeling the t-shirts the most, especially for the summer. Perfect to rock. The hoodie should be around $150. The t-shirts, that's standard, $48. Moving on, guys, we got the hats. So we got the hat coming in black. We got the hat coming in red as well as white. Let me know which colorway you're rocking with the most. I think the black one, to me, stands out with the white hoodie. That would be a fire combo. So that is fully embroidered as well. Should be around $48. Next up, guys, we have the hoodies that we saw from OVO. So we got the black, we got the red, and we have the white. Fully embroidered except for the October's Very Own going across. That is screen printed. Again, those should be around, I want to say, $138. And they look to be a different GSM than the Scully and the Iridescent hoodie. So definitely stay on the lookout for that in the morning when I do post a GSM. Next up, though, we do have the more hats. So we got this with the marigold flower, black and gold. We have it in blue and we have it in red. So let me know which colorway you guys think are the best for these hats. The $48 price point too. Awesome piece to pick up for your collection. Next up, we have the matching button-up. So we got the black, we got the blue, and we got the red. Again, great pieces for the summer. Definitely rocking these by the pool. They're the shorts. I don't know why that photo came in last here, but the shorts, pretty cool again. And that is it for the entire collection. Again, there is going to be one more button-up with a different logo, the Dice logo. So stay on the lookout for that. That's going to drop tomorrow. Don't have the photos of those, but let me know what you guys are feeling from this drop. Again, it is a very big drop. Tie-dye, we got the Canada and the marigold. A lot of awesome fire pieces. So stay tuned tomorrow for the vlog cop video. That will be coming early afternoon tomorrow, around 2 to 3 p.m. So stay on the lookout for that. I appreciate you guys showing all the love and support recently. And without further ado, man, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.